I'm talking about the formula. See here the formula tab. Here the formula tab, this is the auto sum. Auto sum, here the see sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, and many more functions. Okay, so this is the auto sum. Okay, also for you can start from the here function. Here lots of the function. Okay, you can choose anyone. Okay, here lots of the functions. Just you see here I am taking here from the auto sum. See the sum. Okay, this is and enter. Auto sum means see this is the summation of this all total number how. Okay, so this is the auto sum. Also if I want to the average, see the average here, see the auto average, see this column all value numerical value given the average. Okay, also here the minimum, here the minimum, see the minimum, see the 45, this is the 45 for the minimum population. Okay, now again counting here the another one, the maximum, see here the maximum, this is for the all numerical, the maximum is 285 for the China. Okay, now counting, see here auto sum for the count number, see this is how much, see 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10. So this function is called the auto sum functions. Also another function you can take from the here insert function, lots of function here. Okay, thank you.